Hello guys, today's tutorial I will show you how to make small dot crosshair on the finals gameplay, but you could actually make other options as well, like bigger circles or different shapes or the opacity level. As you can see here, this is the crosshair. Basically, you only need to go to Steam account and then search for Crosshair V2 and then make sure to download this. Okay, so going back here, you have different options. You can change the color like so. You can change the shapes. You can change the sizes as well as the opacity, and you'll only be able to do that by going to settings and then under gameplay, and then here you have to drag this button in order to advance the opacity. You can also see here the different options like the color and the width. So yeah, that's basically it. Very easy. That's how you make a small dot crosshair on the finals. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope this helped.